Good morning, fabulous fourth graders, math masters. Today's objective: use place value understanding to decompose to smaller units once using the standard, and I forgot a word in here, subtraction. Subtraction algorithm, and apply the algorithm to solve word problems using tape diagrams. Well, the first thing we're going to tackle, I'm going to start on, is our fluency practice. And our fluency practice today is subtract common units. And this is approximately a 6-minute lesson, so let's get started. Let's take a look at 707. Well, there we have it, 707. What's another way we could write it? We could write this in unit form, so we could say 7 hundredths, 7 ones, right? 7 hundredths, 7 ones. And sometimes I put that little notch there just so we can make sure it's a 7. So we all understand that it is indeed a 7. So let's do a little subtraction now. 707 minus 202. So now we have introduced 202, but let's take a look at what 202 looks like in unit form. 2 hundredths, 2 ones. Okay, so let's think about subtracting this. What will this equal? 7 hundredths, 7 ones, minus 2 hundredths, 2 ones. Well, go like this. 7 minus 2 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So we would have 5 hundredths, 5 ones. Okay, and let's go ahead and write out the complete sentence now. 707 minus 202 equals 505. Now that was a pretty straightforward subtraction problem because we didn't have to do any decomposing. But let's take a look at some more subtraction before we move on. And we're going to do these vertically using the standard algorithm. 909 minus 404. So we have 9 ones, 4 ones, 0 tens, 0 tens, 9 hundredths, 4 hundredths. So 9 ones minus 4 ones equals 5 ones. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 tens minus 0 tens. 9 hundredths minus 4 hundredths is 5 hundredths, and there we have it. 505. 5 hundredths, 5 ones. And let's continue on to 9, I'm seeing a theme here, 9009 minus 5005, or less 5005. So once again we can see here 9 ones minus 5 ones would be 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 ones. 0 minus 0, 0 tens minus 0 tens is 0, 0 tens minus 0 tens is 0, and 9,000s subtract 5,000s, well 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, leaves me with 4,000s. So we have 4,004 as our answer. Continuing on to get into some 10,000s, 11,011 minus, so I subtract or less, 4,004. Now we're going to see some regrouping, okay? So let's think about how we're going to approach this. We have 4 ones here and only 1 1 up here. So we can't go, I still see 4th and 5th graders go, well, 4 minus 1 is 3. No, we can't go backwards like that. That doesn't make any sense. We're trying to subtract 4 ones from 1 1, which can't be done. So what do? We're going to decompose this 10 to a 0, and we're going to bring it over here with that 1 1 and make an 11. Okay? So we took away that 10, we decomposed it and brought it over here to make it 11. So now we have 11 minus 4. Okay? 11 minus 4, 10, 9, 8, 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Same thing over here. We have 4,000s, but we're asked to subtract 4,000 from 1,000. Can't be done. We need to regroup. We need to decompose. So I would need to take that 10,000 away, bring it, add it to this 1,000 to make 11,000. And we know 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 4, 11,000s minus 4,000s is 7,000s. And there we have our answer, 7,007. Let's do one more. 13,013 less 8,008. Once again, we're at the same kind of problem here, right? We can't take 8 ones away from 3 ones. So what we have to do is decompose this 10, bring it over here to the ones, add it to that 3 ones to get 13. 13 minus 8. What is 13 minus 8? Well, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And once again, here we have the same situation. We have we have 8,000s. We can't take 8,000s away from only 3,000s. So we take away that 10,000, bring it over here to the 3,000. Now we have 13,000. 13,000 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is 5. And our answer is 5,005. Okay, I was just kind of listening and learning. I hope you weren't copying that. It's okay if you were. I didn't put the copycat up. But that's okay. So with all this subtraction going on, why don't you take a little stretch break, walk around the house once, tell mom and dad you love them, pet the dog, pet the cat. Hug your baby brother or baby sister, and we'll see you back for the application problem.